Hello everyone, welcome to today's course. We're going to be doing something a little different today, just a different way of exploring the evolution of art history and how it changes over time. And by doing that, I've chosen a very specific kind of subject matter, Christian subject matter, that has been reproduced over and over and over again through the ages. Dating back to the birth of Christianity and is still being used in many cultures today. And this image, although has a very consistent set of requirements and elements, every culture that has depicted it has created its own structure and rigid rules on how to portray it, what to include, all the essential elements. And another interesting thing to think about with this image is the term iconography. Everything about it is a symbol. Everything included in this image is to send a message or to represent a value or the storyline. Everything is essential and has been made to be read. Yes, observed and enjoyed, but also to be read, like a story.